Hey guys, this is my 2015 bike check. Start from the top. Aaron Ross grips, really nice. They're soft, comfortable. I'm gonna start buying ODI Super Softs because these ones really they wear fast down. And Ausparans, I got Aaron Ross's double space bars, 41 thermal with Molly. They're 8.65 rise. I got Sunday freeze stem and just a plain headset like that came with the bike. I got mono lever brake lever and Odyssey quick select brake cable. I got the Evo 2 brake and this is the Sunday 2.1 frame. It's 2013 version. Stock forks. I'm not really into needing new forks right now, but I might get them later on. Vendero 2 hub, don't sell those anymore. Both my tires are Chase Hawks, they're 2.4s. I like the feel. This one barely fit with the brakes, but it got to work. And I got Tree bicycle peg, demolition peg. I don't really care what pegs are on because pegs are pegs. I got both S&M hub guards. I got Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks. These are really nice cranks and I like them a lot. I got an Odyssey bottom bracket. Gary Young seat. It's nice, soft, comfortable. Sunday seat clamp and Odyssey seat post. I don't know what that one is. I just know it's Odyssey. Primo Freemix hub. Really nice. It works really fast. It's got quite a bit of slack, but I'm gonna get used to it soon. I only rode it twice this year. Sunday Sabertooth sprocket. Probably gonna get a Lincoln stem too, and Odyssey LA Guardia sprocket. I got a KMC chain. Probably gonna get the Odyssey Hollow keychain. It's really nice. And I got Odyssey Quadrant rims, which those are pretty nice. And I got Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. They're really grippy. They're my favorite pedal I've ever rode. Never broke any pair, but I have worn them down. They have really good grip with these Etnies Murano bolts I have. And that's about it.